Okay, please turn your textbook to page 22. Okay, so in the graph, you can see that there are two straight lines. Okay, and then can I say, there is no solution because there is no point of intersection? 我可唔可以話佢係冇答案嘅呢兩條 equation，因為佢哋係冇相交咧 ？OK。咁當然咧就係 no 啦 ，OK，because when you extend the line，OK，咁其實唔係冇 solution 嘅，只不過係咧佢畫得唔夠長啫 ，OK，如果你能夠咧延長條線嘅話咧，其實佢哋終會有相交個點嘅，咁所以咧喺呢個 case 裏面咧，其實佢係有 point of intersection，OK，只不過係你咧唔夠畫得唔夠長啫 ，OK。In fact, there is one situation that the straight lines have no solution. Okay, so you may think of when. Okay, 喺一個情況之下咧，兩條 equation 兩個 unknown 咧係會揾到 no solution 嘅。OK，咁你可以諗一諗喺呢兩條 straight line 乜嘢特性之下，佢哋永遠都唔會揾到 solution，即係揾唔到有相交點嘅。Okay, so you may think of this question. So now, please do the quick practice 7.5. We can do it together. So you do not have to change of subject in this question because it's already use y as the subject. So you can consider the first equation, y equals to x plus 2. So you can find 2 to 3 points. Okay, 2 to 3 points. And then you consider, okay, y equals to negative 2x plus 5. And then you can choose another 2 to 3 points. So I give you some time. Okay, you can stop this video and then you can finish these questions. Okay, so let's check the answer. So I will choose, okay, x equals to 0. So when x equals to 0, 0 plus 2, y will be equals to 2. And then I will choose y equals to 0. So if y equals to 0, x would be equals to negative 2. And then the remaining point is for checking. Okay, so I may choose 1. Okay, so 1 plus 2 is equals to 3. And then I can put the point. 0, 2 is somewhere here. Negative 2, 0 somewhere here. And then 1, 3 is somewhere here. And then you can draw the line. And then remember to label it. And then for the second line, okay, second straight line, okay, y equals to negative 2x plus 5. So again, I can substitute point that I like. Okay, so I will choose x equals to 0, so y will be equals to 5. And then I would choose 1. Okay, so negative 2 plus 5 would be equals to 3. And then I will choose, okay, for example, I will not choose y equals to 0, okay, because if I choose y equals to 0, then x would be negative 5 over negative 2, which will give you a fraction, okay, so I will not choose y equals to 0. So instead, I will choose maybe 2 equals to, how about 2? So negative 2 times 2, that means negative 4 plus 5 would be 1. So once again, I have to put the point, okay, 0, 5 somewhere here, 1, 3 somewhere here, okay, and then 2, 1 somewhere here, and then again I can join this point. Okay, so label, and then you can see that from the graph the intersection point is here, so you can write down, okay, therefore from the graph, x would be equals to 1, and then y equals to 3. Okay, so this is quick practice 7.5. And then this one is the solution. Okay, so this one would be the model answer. Okay. And then quick practice 7.6. So again, you have to solve the simultaneous equations. Okay, so this time you have to give your answer correct to 1 decimal places. OK， 小數後一個位啦。OK， 小數後一個位，咁啊，即係代表你可能計到個答案咧，未必係好靚嘅。OK， so once again you have to consider x plus 2y equals to 3. So I will draw the table. Okay, to save time, then this time I will just use 2 pawns. And then consider another one would be 3y minus 2x equals to 10. So I will draw another table. So xy, okay, and then I can find any 2 pawns. Okay, so again, I give you some time to do this one. You can stop the videos for a while. Okay, so I will choose the pawn. I will substitute 0. Okay, I substitute this one 0, so x would be equals to 3. And then I can substitute 1. Okay, I can substitute 1, so x plus 2 equals to 3, so x would be equals to 1. Okay, so I will only select find 2 pawns. Okay, so 3 0 is here, and then 1 1 is here. Okay, and then this one is a bit difficult. Okay, because the coefficient of y is 3, and then the coefficient of x is -2. Okay, so 呢條係比較困難啲嘅，同上面有少少唔同啊。上面咧係the coefficient of x 咧係1嘅，咁即係話其實我代任何數字落去個 y 嗰度都好啦，我 x 都會攞到整數嘅。Okay, but in this case is a bit difficult because if you choose x or if you choose y, you may get a fraction. Okay. So in this case, I would do a little bit change of subject first. So I will flow the 2x to right hand side, and then 3y minus 10. And then I will flow the 2 to the left hand side. So x would be equals to 3y minus 10 over 2. So in order to have an integer, okay, I have to choose y such that the numerator would be an even number. Okay, so that it divided by 2, you still get an integer. So which number should I pick? Okay, 點樣可以令到個分子會係雙數咧 ？OK， 咁一個雙數減一個雙數咧，先至會出一個雙數嘅。So I will pick y equals to 2. So 3 times 2, 6. 6 minus 10, -4, -4 over 2. Okay, so would be -2. Of course, if you are not good in calculating, you use the calculator to help. Okay, 唔好自己計啦。如果你覺得呢啲咁樣嘅運算係好困難嘅話 ，OK。And then maybe I will pick y equals to 0. Okay, for the second pawn. So 0 minus 10 would be -10. -10 over 2 would be -5. So once again, I can put the pawn. -2 would be somewhere here. And then -5 0 would be somewhere here. Okay, and then I can link this 2 pawn and also link these 2 pawns to put the graph and then to find the solution. Okay, so after I join the pawns and I can find that the solution, okay, the pawns of intersection is here. Okay, so from the graph, okay, we have x equals to negative 1.6 and also y equals to 2.3. And in fact, this is not exact value because you just read from the graph, and the graph here only give you approximate value only. Okay, so the x, okay, actually should be equals to negative 1.57142x and so on. Okay, it should be, okay, the exact value should be negative 11/7. And then for y is the same. Okay, again it is not equals to 2.3. okay, the values should be 2.285714, okay, and so on. Actually the exact value should be 16/7. okay, so this one is only approximate value, 係大約嘅啫，其實你唔知道係唔係真係 exact value 嘅 ，OK， 因為個 graph 咧係有限啦，個準確度係有限，咁所以咧我係好難咧喺呢一個位嗰度咧睇到個真嘅 exact value。And this is also one of the disadvantages of using the graphical method, and that's why I will introduce, okay, the second and the third methods, okay, in the next part. So please do the classwork, okay, exercise 7 boy.